Cinco de Mayo, unveiling its historical significance and celebratory origins. Imagine a day filled with vibrant parades, mouth-watering food, and spirited music. This is Cinco de Mayo, a celebration known worldwide. But what's the story behind this festive day? It dates back to 1862, during the Franco-Mexican War. A significant day for Mexico. On the 5th of May, the Mexican army, underdog in numbers, triumphed over the French forces at the Battle of Puebla. A remarkable victory. This victory symbolized unity and pride for the Mexican people. It was more than a military win, it was a boost to national morale. In Mexico, Cinco de Mayo is observed with respect and remembrance. Parades and reenactments honor those who fought at Puebla. However, in the United States, Cinco de Mayo has evolved. It celebrates Mexican culture and heritage with a fusion of American festivities. So, when you join in the Cinco de Mayo festivities, remember the courage and unity it symbolizes. Let's honor this day with joy and respect. Happy Cinco de Mayo Day, and stay tuned for more exciting facts.